Hello there, everyone. How's your day? We're here with another video. Today's recap. And today I'm basically flat, up 0.07%, which is basically nothing. I gained 2% today, but down 2% after hours. This week so far, up 17%. This month, 32%. Overall, 27%. Not a bad time. Not a bad time at all. So, what basically happened today is I invested in Diaz, sorry. I invested in Diaz and I averaged down my positions. Like when it went lower, I bought in more shares. I knew that this was going to be the deepest point, but I used almost all my money that I could to buy it at that point, which is almost the best price point. And from there, basically, I just waited for it to bounce back up to around this area, which has done before, but you can't really see it with this graph because they're really bad. Yeah, so basically it jumps back up to like 55, 56, 57, almost $60 sometimes. And I'm waiting for that bounce back because according to my technical analysis of support and resistance, it usually bounces around the area of $50 or $49, the price of Digas, and then it bounces back up to $56. But I just want to get in the position before it bounces up because you never know when it can. But usually it's around $49, $50. So I have that position saved. I barely have any capital available, like $70 or $80. Well, that's because I might try something really risky tomorrow, but I'll see if I'm up for it. I may not be feeling like risking the money. Well, it's not that much, I guess, but still, play it safe and make good returns, 5% a week. So, basically, first day, Monday, we're basically flat. It was crazy day. I was around even and up like a percent, and then DGAS began to like drop like crazy, and it went into like a hole, and then it just got itself out within like the span of 3 minutes. So that's basically it for today, and stay tuned for tomorrow's video. I might try something really risky, but it'll give really good rewards. So just stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, and just check out my next video. And if you're interested in this, growing $500 into $1 million, please like and subscribe, and just check out more videos about me growing this channel, and this Robinhood account. And I hope you can learn something along the way. And comment down below if you want me to do a video about how I do my technical analysis and teach you how to find the best time to buy stocks and buy them before they go up and find their resistance. All right, so nonetheless, have a nice day and see you in the next video.